Have you ever dreamed of turning your home into a lush tropical jungle without needing sunlight or expert gardening skills? What if I told you that some of the most stunning, tall indoor plants actually thrive in low-light conditions and require very little maintenance? These green giants can instantly transform dull corners, empty spaces, and dark rooms into vibrant indoor retreats. Whether you live in an apartment, work in an office, or simply struggle with low-light spaces, these plants can bring life, beauty, and a relaxing tropical atmosphere into your home. Stay until the end, because plant number 15 is one of the most dramatic and beginner-friendly indoor plants you can own. Let's explore the easiest tall, low-light plants that create breathtaking jungle vibes all year long. Number 1. Snake plant. The snake plant is one of the easiest indoor plants in the world. Its tall, upright leaves create a striking architectural look while adding height and greenery to any room. Snake plants tolerate low light exceptionally well and can survive even in spaces with minimal natural sunlight. They are also drought tolerant, meaning you can forget to water them occasionally without causing harm. These plants can grow several feet tall indoors and are perfect for bedrooms, offices, hallways, and dark corners. Their sword-shaped leaves bring a modern tropical vibe while requiring very little attention. Simply water when the soil becomes completely dry and avoid overwatering. Besides their beauty, snake plants are known for helping improve indoor air quality. Their combination of resilience, height, and dramatic appearance makes them one of the best choices for creating a jungle-inspired indoor environment. Number 2. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is famous for thriving where many other plants struggle. Its glossy dark green leaves reflect light beautifully, creating a lush tropical appearance even in dim rooms. This plant grows slowly but steadily, reaching impressive heights over time. One reason beginners love the ZZ plant is its incredible tolerance for neglect. It stores water in underground rhizomes, allowing it to survive long periods without watering. Low light, irregular care, and dry indoor air rarely bother this tough plant. As the stems mature, they grow upright and elegant, making the plant appear larger and more dramatic. The rich green foliage instantly brightens darker spaces and creates a sophisticated jungle atmosphere. If you want a nearly indestructible tall indoor plant, the ZZ plant is one of the safest and easiest options available. Number 3. Kentia palm. The Kentia palm brings luxurious tropical elegance to indoor spaces. Its graceful arching fronds create an instant jungle vibe while thriving in lower light conditions than many other palm varieties. This slow-growing palm can eventually reach impressive heights indoors, making it an excellent statement piece for living rooms, offices, and entryways. Unlike some palms that demand bright sunlight, the Kentia palm adapts beautifully to filtered or indirect light. Its soft, feathery leaves create movement and texture that instantly soften a room's appearance. The plant also tolerates occasional missed waterings and generally requires little maintenance. Because of its elegant shape and forgiving nature, interior designers often use Kentia palms to create a sophisticated tropical look. Even a single mature specimen can completely transform an indoor space into a relaxing green sanctuary. Number 4. Dracæna marginata. Dracæna marginata is a stylish tall plant that adds both height and drama to indoor spaces. Its slender trunks and narrow arching leaves resemble miniature tropical trees, making it perfect for creating jungle-inspired decor. This plant performs surprisingly well in low-light environments, although moderate indirect light encourages faster growth. Dracæna marginata is also highly adaptable and forgiving, making it ideal for beginners. As it matures, multiple stems can create a layered canopy effect that adds visual interest and texture. The unique shape makes it stand out from traditional houseplants while still fitting modern interiors. Water only when the topsoil feels dry and avoid excessive moisture. With minimal effort, this plant can grow into a striking indoor tree that brings tropical energy and vertical beauty to your home. Number 5. Corn plant. Dracæna fragrans. The corn plant is a classic indoor favorite known for its broad green leaves and tree-like appearance. It grows tall and upright, making it perfect for filling empty corners with lush greenery. This plant adapts well to low-light conditions and remains attractive even in rooms with limited sunlight. Its sturdy stems and dense foliage create a rich jungle atmosphere without demanding constant attention. Corn plants prefer moderate watering and can tolerate occasional neglect. Their leaves often feature attractive stripes that add visual contrast and interest. Because of their size and tropical appearance, corn plants are frequently used in homes, offices, hotels, and commercial interiors. They provide a calming natural presence while requiring very little maintenance, making them an excellent choice for beginners seeking large indoor plants. Number 6. Cast iron plant. True to its name, the cast iron plant is incredibly tough. It thrives in low light, tolerates inconsistent watering, and handles indoor conditions that challenge many other plants. Its long, deep green leaves grow upright and create a dense, lush appearance. While not the fastest grower, mature plants develop substantial foliage that adds a strong tropical feel to any room. This plant is especially useful for darker corners where other houseplants may struggle. It remains attractive year-round and rarely experiences serious pest problems. Because of its durability and elegant simplicity, the cast iron plant has been a favorite indoor plant for generations. If you want a dependable, low-maintenance plant that survives almost anything, this is one of the best options available. Number 7. Bamboo palm. Bamboo palm is a fantastic choice for creating an authentic indoor jungle look. Its multiple stems and feathery fronds resemble a miniature tropical forest inside your home. This palm grows well in low to moderate light and adapts easily to indoor environments. The dense foliage creates privacy, softness, and a relaxing atmosphere wherever it is placed. Bamboo palms can grow several feet tall indoors and become stunning focal points over time. They also appreciate regular watering but are generally forgiving of occasional mistakes. Their natural elegance and air-purifying qualities make them popular among plant lovers seeking both beauty and functionality. A mature bamboo palm instantly transforms any room into a peaceful tropical retreat. Number 8. Chinese evergreen. Chinese evergreen is one of the most adaptable indoor plants available. While often known for its colorful foliage, larger varieties can grow tall enough to create impressive vertical interest. These plants tolerate low light remarkably well and continue looking vibrant even in dim rooms. Their broad leaves add texture and fullness, helping create a dense jungle aesthetic. Chinese evergreens require minimal maintenance and only need watering when the soil begins to dry. They also handle average indoor humidity levels with ease. Their combination of beauty, resilience, and versatility makes them ideal for both beginners and experienced plant enthusiasts. They bring lush greenery and tropical charm without requiring demanding care routines. Number 9. Parlor palm. The parlor palm has been a beloved indoor plant for centuries. Its graceful fronds and compact tree-like appearance make it perfect for creating soft, tropical vibes in low-light spaces. Unlike many palms, it thrives in indirect or filtered light and adapts well to indoor living. Its slow growth makes maintenance simple while allowing the plant to remain attractive for years. Parlor palms add elegance to bedrooms, offices, and living rooms without overwhelming the space. Their delicate leaves create visual movement and natural texture. With proper watering and occasional care, this palm becomes a beautiful long-term companion that contributes to a calm and relaxing jungle-inspired environment. Number 10. Fishtail palm. Fishtail palm stands out because of its uniquely shaped leaves that resemble fishtails. This unusual foliage creates an exotic appearance that immediately captures attention. It performs well in bright indirect light but also tolerates lower light indoor conditions. As it matures, it develops into a striking tall plant capable of becoming a room's focal point. Its textured leaves contribute depth and complexity to indoor jungle displays. Combined with other tropical plants, it creates a layered rainforest effect. With moderate watering and occasional feeding, fishtail palm rewards owners with dramatic tropical beauty that few other indoor plants can match. Number 11. Umbrella tree. The umbrella tree features clusters of glossy leaflets arranged like umbrellas. Its upright growth habit and dense foliage make it excellent for creating indoor jungle aesthetics. This plant adapts well to lower light levels and remains relatively easy to maintain. It can grow quite tall indoors, making it ideal for filling vertical space. Regular pruning can shape the plant while encouraging fuller growth. Its attractive foliage creates a rich tropical appearance that complements various decorating styles. For anyone seeking a fast-growing, low-maintenance indoor tree, the umbrella tree offers impressive results with minimal effort. Number 12. Dragon tree. The dragon tree combines dramatic structure with easy care. Its slender trunk and spiky leaves create a bold tropical statement while remaining highly adaptable. Low-light conditions are generally well tolerated, though growth may slow slightly. The plant's unique appearance makes it ideal for modern and contemporary interiors. Dragon trees require little watering and are forgiving when occasional care mistakes occur. Their upright form helps maximize visual impact without taking up excessive floor space. They are perfect for adding height, texture, and a touch of exotic beauty to indoor environments. Number 13. Peace lily. While often considered medium-sized mature, peace lilies can become surprisingly large and impressive. Their broad, dark leaves create a lush jungle appearance even in low-light rooms. Peace lilies are famous for producing elegant white blooms that contrast beautifully against the foliage. They thrive in indirect light and clearly signal when they need water by gently drooping. Their tropical look, combined with easy care requirements, makes them popular among indoor gardeners. Large specimens create dramatic visual impact while remaining beginner-friendly. Number 14. Rubber plant. Rubber plants feature large, glossy leaves that bring bold, tropical energy into any room. Although they prefer bright, indirect light, they tolerate lower light conditions surprisingly well. As they mature, rubber plants can grow into impressive indoor trees that command attention. Their thick leaves create a dense jungle appearance and add a luxurious feel to interiors. With occasional pruning and moderate watering, they remain healthy and attractive for years. Their strong vertical growth makes them excellent statement plants. Number 15. Fiddle leaf fig. The fiddle leaf fig is one of the most iconic indoor plants. While it prefers brighter conditions, it can adapt to moderate low-light environments when properly cared for. Its enormous violin-shaped leaves create instant drama and make any room feel lush and vibrant. Mature plants can reach impressive heights, becoming stunning focal points. Despite its reputation, consistent care and proper placement can make it surprisingly manageable. The large leaves capture attention and create a true indoor jungle atmosphere. For plant lovers seeking maximum visual impact, few plants deliver as much tropical elegance as a healthy fiddle leaf fig. Those are 15 of the easiest, tall, low-light indoor plants that can transform ordinary rooms into lush tropical jungles. Whether you choose the nearly indestructible snake plant, the elegant Kentia palm, or the dramatic fiddle leaf fig, each plant offers a unique way to bring nature indoors. Start with one or two favorites and watch how quickly your space becomes greener, calmer, and more inviting. Which of these jungle-inspired plants would you love to add to your home first? Share your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more plant tips, indoor gardening ideas, and home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.